Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Life Smart English.
My name is Alice.
And I am Harry.
Today we will practice giving a progress update to a manager.
If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel, like this video, and turn on the notification for future videos.
You know, being able to give a clear progress update is an essential skill at work. It helps your manager understand where things stand, builds trust, and often plays a key role in promotions and career growth. However, many people struggle to explain progress, challenges, and next steps clearly in English. In this video, you'll listen to a professional workplace conversation where an employee gives a structured progress update to their manager. Follow along and practice with me, and in just 10 minutes, you'll sound more confident and professional when talking about your work. My name is Alice, and today I'll be the team member giving a progress update. Harry will be the manager. This lesson is perfect for background listening. You can listen while working, walking, or relaxing. At the end of the video, I'll guide you through key workplace sentences for shadowing practice. And as usual, if you find our videos useful, remember to tap the like button and subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's begin.
Hi, Alice. Thanks for making the time today. I'd like to get an update on the project.
Of course, Harry. I'm happy to walk you through the current status.
Great. Let's start with overall progress. How are things looking at the moment?
Overall, the project is progressing well. We've completed the planning phase and are now moving steadily into execution.
That's good to hear. Could you summarize what's been completed so far?
Yeah, certainly. We finalized the project scope, aligned on key deliverables, and completed the initial stakeholder review.
Excellent. How does that compare to the original timeline?
We're currently on schedule. All major milestones have been met, and there are no critical delays at this stage.
That's reassuring. Have there been any challenges that we should be aware of?
About that, there have been a few minor challenges, mainly related to resource availability. However, we've already taken steps to mitigate the impact.
Okay. Can you elaborate on that?
Yes, I coordinated with the operations team to reallocate resources temporarily, which helped us stay on track.
Good initiative. Looking ahead, what are the next priorities?
The next priority is the analysis phase. We'll be reviewing performance data and preparing a detailed report for internal review.
And what's the expected timeline for that phase?
We expect it to take approximately 2 weeks. If everything goes as planned, the draft report should be ready by the end of the month.
Understood. Are there any risks that could affect delivery?
At the moment, there are no major risks. That said, the timeline does depend on timely input from one external vendor.
Thanks for flagging that. Please keep me informed if there are any changes.
Absolutely. I'll make sure to communicate any updates promptly.
Do you need any additional support from my side?
At this stage, we're well supported. However, I may request your feedback once the first draft is completed.
That's fine. Feel free to share it with me when ready.
Thank you. I appreciate your support.
Before we wrap up, is there anything else worth mentioning?
Nothing urgent at the moment. I'll continue monitoring progress and ensure all stakeholders remain aligned.
Sounds good. Thank you for the clear update, Alice.
Thank you for your time, Harry. I'll keep you posted. Now let's practice key workplace sentences from the conversation. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Overall, the project is progressing well. We've completed the planning phase and moved into execution. All major milestones have been met so far. There have been a few minor challenges, but nothing critical. We've taken steps to mitigate the impact. The next priority is the analysis phase. At the moment, there are no major risks. I'll keep you informed if there are any changes. Great work! These sentences will help you give structured, professional progress updates and communicate more effectively at work. Try shadowing them again later today while doing something else. Okay, see you in the next lesson.